Once the SITRANS LT500 has been configured, we can set up automatic or manual echo profile saving. Under the Maintenance and Diagnostics menu, we can go down to Diagnostics, set which type of TVT we would like on an LR type sensor, either the standard TVT or the AFES. We can enter the Echo Profile menu, enable Echo Profiles, set a timeout for when they are disabled, and we can view our Echo Profiles. Once the Echo Profile loads, we can see what the confidence value is, what algorithm is being used, the distance reading, and a time and date stamp. We can see that in this particular case, we are in the short shot area, and we have approximately a 0.9 meter shot. In order to save an echo profile, we go to the Saved Echo Profiles menu, enable Saved Profiles. We can change the behavior of full memory. Remember that each point can save up to 100 echo profiles. We can save a profile manually simply by going OK. We can save echo profiles automatically based on any number of diagnostics. For example, anytime a loss of echo occurs. We can save echo profiles automatically based on alarms. Let's say an over or high alarm on point 1 or a low or under alarm on point 1. And we also save based on dual point alarms. We can see the number of saved echo profiles that we already have available, and we can delete all of our echo profiles. And we can go down to the View Saved Echo Profile. In the simulator, we're not able to save echo profiles, but this is where they would be located to view.